Welcome to the IT Jobs series. In this video, we explore the role of an IT business analyst. A business analyst is a professional who acts as a bridge between business stakeholders and technical teams. They translate business needs and challenges into technical requirements and solutions that can be implemented by developers and IT teams. So what exactly is a business analyst? A business analyst is someone who understands the business side of an organization and can communicate those needs to the technical side. They gather information about what the business wants to achieve, understand the challenges they face, and then work with technical teams to create solutions. Think of them as translators between the business world and the technology world. The business analyst role has two main perspectives. On the business side, they understand organizational goals, identify challenges, and gather requirements from stakeholders. On the technical side, they work with developers and technical architects to translate those requirements into feasible, scalable, and efficient solutions. Both perspectives are equally important for the role. A business analyst has three key responsibilities. First, they gather and document business requirements by talking to stakeholders and understanding what needs to be built. Second, they translate these requirements into technical specifications that developers can understand and implement. Third, they facilitate communication between different stakeholders, ensuring everyone is on the same page throughout the project. The process of translating business requirements into technical solutions follows four main steps. First, they gather requirements from various stakeholders through interviews and workshops. Second, they analyze these requirements to understand feasibility and impact. Third, they document everything in clear, structured formats. Finally, they deliver these documents to the technical team who will build the solution. Business analysts use various techniques to gather requirements. Interviews involve direct conversations with key stakeholders to understand their needs and pain points. Surveys help collect feedback from a larger group of users. Workshops bring teams together for collaborative discussion and brainstorming. Documentation review involves analyzing existing processes, systems, and business documents to understand how things currently work. Business analysts create important documents throughout their work. The requirements document contains all functional and non-functional requirements in detail. The system design specification describes the technical architecture and how the solution will be built. Acceptance criteria outlines the conditions that must be met for the solution to be accepted by the business. These documents guide the entire development process. To be a successful business analyst, you need both soft skills and technical skills. Soft skills include strong communication to explain complex ideas clearly, problem-solving ability to find solutions, and critical thinking to analyze situations deeply. Technical skills include data analysis to interpret information, basic SQL knowledge to query databases, and understanding of system architecture to design solutions. A combination of both types of skills makes a great business analyst. Business analysts use several tools in their daily work. JIRA is used for project tracking and managing requirements throughout the development cycle. Confluence is a documentation platform where teams collaborate and share information. Lucidchart is used to create diagrams, flowcharts, and visual representations of processes and systems. These tools help organize work and improve team collaboration. There are several compelling reasons to pursue a career as a business analyst. First, there is growing demand across industries for skilled business analysts because every organization needs someone to bridge business and technology. Second, business analysts enjoy competitive salaries and good benefits as the role is highly valued. Third, as a business analyst, you get to be the bridge between business and technology, making you essential in turning ideas into reality. If you enjoy problem solving, communication, and technology, this could be the right career path for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.